So one of the first things you'll see in the phone portrait is that our menu buttons here are lining up on top of each other and they are flushed to the left, and we want to center these after taking care of our giant title and the subtitle as well. And the button is good. Our phone slider is still working. These are very huge. We need to fix those. And the contact form we can drag out a little bit closer to the edges. So I'm going to start with the contact form. We can simply decrease the padding to 20 pixels, maybe let's do 10 pixels, because we have an additional padding of 10 pixels inside of each column, as you can see. That will line it up nicely with our menu icon right here. Okay, and then let's fix these menu buttons right here. I simply want to center those. There, that took care of that problem. And then let's drop down the size of our title. 40 pixels will look good. We still want it pretty big, and we can decrease this to 10 perhaps and track it in. Then let's do 11. Okay, 12 pixels with 2 pixel tracking, and we can decrease the leading to 12 pixels as well. And let's also decrease the padding on our container to 0. Okay. In fact, maybe 10. I like some breathing room in here. So that is that page. Let's move on to the Lightbox page in tab 2. We simply need to go to the styling for our thumbnails, and let's give them a class of image, all of them, and then I can set the width to be 50% and perhaps 70%. Okay, 60% will be perfect. And with that taken care of, I can enlarge my responsive slider phone a little bit. It's a little small there. So let's move back into tab 1. And I want to add the same image class to that phone, and that will bring it up to 60% as well. So there is our phone. The responsive slider is still working. Our Lightbox images are still working. And our contact form is perfect the way it is. And the menu is right there. I believe we have done everything to make this as beautiful as possible. So now, oops. So here we have a little whoopsie going on. Okay, we took care of that. That was just a glitch. So it looks good on the desktop. It looks good on the iPad. Everything works like it should. So, in the end, all we need to do is go up to the rocket in the top right corner, and we need to click publish, and then we're going to publish our site onto Webflow. And there, your site is now live under the subdomain that you have created. And your site will be hosted for free. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a really awesome but super simple responsive website with Webflow without any code whatsoever. And I hope that shows you the power of a professional site builder like Webflow. So go ahead, sign up for your free account if you haven't already. And I wish you all the best with creating your own web projects. So if you have any comments or feedback on my course, please leave create a discussion about it. Or if you want to go ahead and give my course a 5-star rating, then I will reward you with a free link to any of my other paid courses. So I hope you've enjoyed my course. My name is Edvin Lynch, and I'm out of here.